What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So we're gonna give you guys an update. It's gonna be real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just like we're keeping it simple because I know
we
it's
have
been
to say something.
Yeah, it's been like a real good minute since we've been on here. So the reason why we've been MIA is because school. We both enrolled in school. And then I know I've mentioned this before. We've been dealing with some health issues. I mean, it's not anything big for you guys to worry about, and we don't really want to get into detail about it, so we're just gonna leave it as that. But we are doing good. And then, you know, just life happens. You know, there's been a lot of crazy stuff that's happened. There was an accident in front of our house. That was really crazy. It actually hit our house. So I don't think it's on the news, right? It was never on the news. So I guess it was on the news. It was pretty crazy, you guys. The car just hit our house, and it was just so unexpected. Like, I was just chilling in the living room watching the show, and then bam, and everybody just got up and ran outside, and just cops everywhere. It was crazy. But there's been a lot of things that have happened before that. Like, I feel like our life is so crazy, especially this year. It's just been like
COVID made it crazy.
Yeah, COVID made it crazy, but then like our life like with our family, it's like wacky, you know? I don't even know if that's the right term. That's pretty stupid.
But it's because of the fact that we're all in lockdown or home. That makes it worse.
Me and Cynthia have been just planning and trying to just get back to YouTube because we miss it and we just want to move forward with it. And I feel like we kind of held back. We kind of feel like we did, like we held ourselves back. Life is just has been really messy, but we are finally just dedicating our time to this. Like, we're just like, you know what? No excuses.
We've
That's
already
just it.
planned our videos for December.
Oh my gosh, we have so much coming, you guys. Like, we're super excited. So that's our little update, you guys. That's pretty much it.
So we decided to come back, starting off with the makeup haul, just makeup that we've accumulated and we want to use in future videos.
We actually, well, we got some new makeup too, like recently.
Yeah, it's some makeup that we use that we love, like from drugstore, and then just new makeup as well.
So first off, you guys, we got Beauty Creations new
the Nutcracker holiday collection,
and it's so pretty, you guys.
This is actually the actual PR,
and we barely opened it right now. Like, literally
first time,
like we have not looked at it, nothing. It does have a mirror right here, so it's really cute. So it comes with a palette and a lip kit. How many lips are in here?
I think it's 4.
You want to open that one up? I'll open this one up.
It's so cute. I love the packaging. We were really on the lookout for like different holiday collections. So this one comes with 3 I believe these are liquid lipsticks and then a gloss.
Let me see. I would wear obviously all the nudes. Well, the 2 nudes.
It is.
And
I
the
like
gloss.
the packaging. It's like a monochromatic.
I can't get this out. You got
just push it.
You got the easy one. I did.
It's like really slippery. Oh, these pressed glitters are pretty. So it's a lot of pinks. More warm tones, but they're nice.
It's a cute little collection, you guys.
Just a perfect holiday collection. Like, it's so pretty.
Yeah, it's perfect for the holidays too.
So just stay tuned for a video on this because we do want to do first impressions or just create looks with it. The next collection we got was the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes Vault. I don't keep up with Urban Decay, but one of my other sisters, when she buys makeup, she usually buys the collections of different brands. So she had told me that she really wanted this one. And I told her, well, I asked her what it was because she told me the Stoned collection. I'm like, what is that? And I looked it up and I bought it on the spot.
So you didn't even know that they had something coming out?
No. I don't really keep up with Urban Decay, but it's really pretty.
I'm so sorry, you guys. I don't know if you guys are catching me. I'm looking at the monitor. So I feel like I just keep looking right there instead of you guys. So I'm so sorry. I'll keep trying to look at the camera. But this is so pretty. This is like super glamorous or something.
So it comes with this is a highlighter. These are liners.
What is this?
That's a highlighter. It's so pretty.
Like, wait, is it powder? Just powder?
No.
Okay.
Just the shape, like.
Oh, I thought that was the top.
It's like crystal.
This is cute. It has a little mirror in here, you guys. This is so cute. It's so pretty. I hope you guys can really see what I see.
And then this is the palette. It's so pretty. It has like 4 matte shades and then 8 pressed glitters.
What is this? Is this lip glosses?
I knew it was gonna fall. And then it comes with Urban Decay always includes little eye brush.
What is this, lip gloss or eyes?
I don't know. I think they're different. Oh, they're lip glosses. So it comes with 4 glitter lip glosses. And those are eyeliners.
Oh, these are eye pencils. I love this one.
This is the first Urban Decay palette I buy or product I've bought in a long time.
I'm actually pretty excited because I feel like we've never shown you guys Urban Decay, right?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. And it's so fancy and I'm actually super excited. We're gonna actually do a review on this one as well for you guys. It's so pretty.
And then the next one we actually recently went to the Morphe store and we were looking for a holiday collection, but it didn't seem like they had one. And this is the only one we saw. Ooh. So we asked and the girl had told us that, yeah, this was the only holiday one they were coming out with. It's the 35XO Natural Flirt. It is a bigger collection. What didn't we get? It was like
there's like brushes, spray. Was there a lip kit too? I think so.
Yeah, it was. But why didn't we get it? I forgot.
I don't know. We just got the palette. Okay, I hope you guys can see the shimmer, but this is from the lip gloss from the Urban Decay.
So this is like a pink, like a bunch of mauves.
You know what it reminds me of? This reminds me of Valentine's Day.
Yeah, that's what she had said when we were getting it. That's why we were unsure if this was their holiday palette because it looks like a palette that should come out for Valentine's Day.
We were like expecting a whole Christmas one, like a little Christmas display with it, and we're just like, is this one it? That's the Christmas collection that they have at Morphe.
Oh, so and then I got
Beauty Blender.
Their sponge because I love their sponge. Oh, and then they also did come out with a mascara. I haven't really heard reviews. I don't know if people love it or not, but I wanted to try it. I always use the same mascara, and I got a new one also.
Yeah, we always use that one.
This is the only mascara I ever use. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, but Morphe's so affordable, so I'm like, why not just get it and try it? If I don't like it, oh well. Oh, and then the new...
I opened it for you.
Huda palette. So to me, actually, now looking at it again, it has similar tones to the Morphe one.
It does. It actually does.
A lot of mauve colors. The mauve pink.
Stila. Is that how you say it? Stila? Stila?
People say Stila. Stila.
Stila? Stila? Okay.
I don't think people say Stila.
Okay, never mind.
Stila?
Stila. This is, what is this? Liquid eyeshadows.
They're so good. I have the little ones from old collections.
Let's swatch some of those.
This one's in the shade of Opal Ice.
This is Lilac Ice.
Oh, this is like a unicorn color. I don't know if you guys can see that. I swatched it right here.
I feel like this one's unicorn too.
Can they see it? It's supposed to be on the back of our hand. Oh my.
Okay, let's do this again.
Ooh, this is so pretty. It is what the name it says, Opal.
This is lilac.
I don't know if you guys
What's
can
opal?
see it.
I don't even know. I've never heard that.
Opal is when it. You see how it has that?
Why does it look so similar?
No, you see how this one has that purple?
Oh, like a what is that called?
That's
the fairy dust.
So pretty. It like changes.
Like when you get your nails done, you want fairy dust or something, or what is it called?
Kind of.
I don't know what it's called. I forgot. This one is Vivid Labro. Okay, what does it say?
Labradorite. What is that? I've never heard that in my life.
Labradorite. I don't know. We're going to put the name right here on the screen.
Ooh, this one's pretty. This one's called Vivid Smoky Quartz.
Whoa, this one's really dark.
Chocolate color. It's so pretty.
Ooh, it's like copper.
Bronzy.
Like copper. Yeah. It's so pretty. This one's like...
Ooh, if that you do one's like a smoke.
Yeah, smoky eye.
Like a gunmetal.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
And then the rest is drugstore.
Yeah, so we have some drugstore here.
Oh wait, no, these.
Oh, we also got Lash from Namie's these lashes called Lash Pop. I've never tried these lashes. Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, we got this one too. This one's orange, this one's purple, and this one says on that perp, and this one's cantaloupe with me. And then, yeah, we got some drugstore here. We didn't get that much, but we got some goodies. I got this lip gloss. And I love this brand. It's the Sexy Mother Pucker, and it's in the shade Candy Queen. I don't know if you guys have tried this lip gloss, but it's like, it feels so good because it tingles your lips because it's a plumper. It's just like a nice gloss, and it just plumps your lips so nice. Not exaggerated. I feel like they all do the same when they say they plump your lips. It's not gonna look like a lip job, or what is that called? Yeah, if you get your lips done.
Lip injection.
Yeah, but I mean, it plumps them like, I think good. Like your lips do stand out.
We got our basic concealers. I love this concealer. You guys know it. I use it in like every video.
Oh, I got one too.
She got one. It's in the shade Neutralizer.
I really wanted to try it again because I was like, okay, Cynthia's already she's still on this
My
concealer.
favorite.
I need to like get back on. So I got one of those. I also got these little cute beauty blenders because, well, they're not beauty blenders. There's Real Techniques sponges, and they're just so tiny. And I told her I've been wanting like little sponges for like my concealer. I mean, I'm always using the same sponge. I mean, it works good, but I'm like, I wonder how these little ones work. You know what I'm saying? I use the same big sponge. I used actually the Morphe sponge to apply my foundation. I just wanted something little.
And then I found this random highlighter from e.l.f. I've never tried it before.
Is it like loose?
It's a jelly highlighter.
What the heck is a jelly highlighter?
It's like...
What the heck? That thing jiggles.
Let me swatch it. Damn, I grabbed too much.
That is very pigmented.
Oh,
Wow.
that's so pretty.
How would you apply that? I'm such
Very
a subtle
little.
person, you guys, when it comes to highlighter. So, like, that is very, very pigmented. I would not know how to
It's
apply
like
that.
blinding. And then I got these Milani. They are matte lip crayons.
And then these are from, like, Wet n Wild. And these are glosses, no?
I think we did get the glosses.
Okay, I want to try it. I'm going to actually try it on right now. Because since my lips are so naked, I'm so embarrassed.
I like fall colors. They're right here.
We actually ordered more makeup, you guys, because of Black Friday. By the way, you guys, I hope you guys had a safe and good Thanksgiving. Yummy Thanksgiving. But we actually ordered ColourPop. We got a collection of their lip liners. What was it like? How many lip liners was it? It was a lot. It was like a big thing.
It's just all their lip liners.
Yeah,
because I really like their lip liners.
And
they're
I
my
need
favorite,
lip
and it
liners.
was a really good deal for all of them. Like, if I just had those lip liners, I'll be happy. Just those, every color. They're good.
She loves her lip liners, and she's always telling me. And I don't have any lip liners. I probably have like 5 the most. And she's always telling me, you need to line your lips more. And so I'm like, okay, that's it. I'm gonna look for some lip liners and order some. So we both ordered a big set of lip liners and a set of brushes. We got ColourPop brushes.
These are the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipsticks.
Oh yeah, and this one, the one that I just showed you guys, is Caught You Bare Naked. I told Cynthia, what is up with these names
Oh,
that
this is pretty.
the makeup industry like has?
Cedar Later. So it's this dark mauve color. It's really pretty. I like it.
And then this one is Send Nudes. It's a little darker.
I got this one is Beauty Creations 3D Mink lashes. I've tried the other lashes.
I've never tried their
lashes.
lashes.
I love them. They're so good, so affordable. This is in the style, oh, should I say that?
Chingona.
I love their lashes. Love, love, love them. I feel like they're very easy to apply to. I like them.
I actually got another something from Wet n Wild. It is a lip liner. It is in the shade. It is Bare to Common. I feel like it goes with the 2 glosses that I just showed you guys.
Dude, I feel so bad. I keep staring up there. I need to stop.
Look at the little one.
I know, once you did that, I was staring more there, but I still catch myself.
So that's pretty much it, you guys. We do, like I said, have more makeup coming, and we'll probably have another makeup haul, or we'll just show those items in our next videos coming.
We'll show ourselves using them.
Yeah, we're like super excited for those items, so stay tuned. We actually have a surprise for you guys. We're not going to be showing you the actual surprise, obviously, but you guys, don't mind this bag. It hides it. Cynthia thought it was so stupid to show you guys this bag because she's like, this is so ugly. But it hides
nothing to do with makeup.
It hides what we have in here.
That's true.
When we went on this makeup haul shopping spree, this is actually not all we got, you guys. We got a lot more like in this bag right here. And when we were coming home, we didn't want my family to like see it. We are just trying to hide it because we were supposed to only go for like Thanksgiving food.
Oh yeah.
And we actually went shopping for makeup, and we had to walk in the house with this Whole Foods bag because we came from Whole Foods that day. We have a bunch of goodies in here, and we cannot share with you just yet. And we're super excited for when, obviously,
for when we're gonna reveal them, and
like when we're gonna surprise you with them.
We really
okay?
mean it this time. When we say when we say that, we really planned out our videos for the whole next month. Like every video, we really planned it out.
We got some good stuff coming, you guys, okay? Yeah, so definitely you guys do not want to miss out on this. So stay tuned, keep up with our videos.
Just stay tuned for our next video where we're gonna share our review on the
Oh yeah, beauty creations. This
the
is gonna
Nutcracker
be
collection.
our next video, you guys. So you guys don't want to miss this one, okay? That's it for this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you turn on those post notifications so you guys get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.